Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cotton candy slime. This is super easy and really fast to do. So if you guys want to know how to make it, then continue watching. First thing that you'll be needing is some white glue. Lastly, you'll be needing some liquid detergent. I'm using liquid starch. Next, I'm going to be spraying in some water. This is not required. I just want to make my slime have like a good consistency to it. So yeah. After you're done stirring, you add in your acrylic paint. And since this is going to be a pastel color, I'm not going to be adding in too much pink. So after I'm done stirring, I'm going to be adding in my laundry detergent. Just add in a little bit and then continue adding more if you need any more, just so you can like save it and stuff and not waste your liquid starch. So I think I'll just leave it out for a little bit more. So as you guys can see, it's like a flubber. It's kind of sticky. But if you guys enjoyed the slime tutorial, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.